Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Hi dear all, welcome to YouTube live session. Today I am going to discuss very important topic. You are waiting this topic, I think so. Today's topic is integrals. At least 3 MCQs out of 20 MCQs will come in this chapter. That's why I told very important chapter. So I'm not wasting your time. Let's see the questions. See, the first question. Evaluate integral of 4 e raised to 3x minus 2 with respect to x. Option A, 4 by 3 e raised to 3x minus 2x plus c. Option B, 3 by 4 e raised to 3x plus 2x plus c. And C, 3 by 4 e raised to 3x minus 2x plus c. Option D, 4 by 3 e raised to 3x plus 2x plus c. See the question? And it's a very familiar question, very easy question. How can we solve this one? 4 e raised to 3x minus 2. You know, integral of e raised to ax plus b equal to what? E raised to ax plus b dx equal to e raised to ax plus b divided by a plus c. How? Integral of e raised to x equal to e raised to x itself, but e raised to ax plus b is there. The coefficient of x is here a, then e raised to x plus b divided by the derivative of ax we want to write here, e raised to x plus b divided by a plus c. That is the idea. Then what will be the answer of this question? So we can check here, integral of 4 e raised to 3x minus 2 dx. Then 4 into integral of e raised to 3x is what? 4 is a constant. 4 into e raised to 3x will goes to e raised to 3x divided by 3. 3 is a constant or coefficient of x there. Minus integral of 2 is what? Integral of 2 means 2 is a constant term, or integral of dx equal to what will get? 2x plus the constant c. We can check that answer is there. Yes, 4 by 3 e raised to 3x minus 2x plus c. That's the answer. It is there as the first option, 4 by 3 e raised to 3x minus 2x plus c. Hope students are commenting here. Yes, Hisham. Yes, Hisham gave the answer here. Option A is correct. Where the Dhoni? Answer is A, right answer. Okay, very easy question, direct question. Then we can move to the next question. Please see. Next question. Integral of x square into e power x cube dx is equal to dash. X square e raised to x cube dx is equal to option A e raised to x cube by 3 plus c, or B e power x square by 3 plus c, or C e power x cube by 2 plus c, D e raised to x square by 2 plus c. Which is the correct option? Yes, students, if you can comment here, I will read who is getting the answer first. See, the question is there, x square is there, x cube is there. That means x cube is there, x square is there. Which method we want to follow? The substitution method. What is substitution method? Here its derivative is there, x cube derivative is there. Which one? X square is there. So we are taking x cube equal to t, we can consider. Substitution method we are going to take there. Then derivative on both the sides. Then what is the x cube derivative? 3x square dx, and here dt will come. X square dx in the question, x square dx in the question, x square is there, dx is there. Keep there, left side. X square dx equal to dt upon 3. Now we can write as the I, or integral x square dx as x square dx as dt by 3 e raised to x cube means t, e raised to t into dt by 3. What's the integral of e raised to t? E raised to t integral, e raised to t itself by what? By 3 is there, plus the constant c. Indefinite integral. E raised to t. What is e raised to t? T means x cube. E raised to, or e power x cube by 3 plus c is the answer. E raised to x cube by 3 plus c is there in the, again, first option, option A. Yes, students are give the answer here. Diya, Veda, Hridya, Isha, all are giving the correct answers only. Good, good. Okay, hope all of you understood. Moving to the next question. What's the next question? 1 by sine square x into cos square x dx is dash. 1 by sine square x into cos square x is dash. Options are there. Tan x plus cot x plus c, option A. B, tan x minus cot x plus c. And C, sin x minus cos x plus c. D, cos x plus sin x plus c. What will be your answer? Yes, Nima is giving answer is B. Veda is giving, Veda Dhoni is giving B. Yes, we can check B or A or C or D. Others are solving, I think so. Okay, we can check. There, I am marking here option B. Students told the option B is the right answer. We can check that answer is correct or not. See, 1 by sine square x into cos square x. Method is there. 1 is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We learned that trigonometric identity. So here denominator sine square x and cos square x is there. Numerator I am going to change as 1 equal to sine square x plus cos square x. Sine square x plus cos square x. At the place of 1 changing to sine square x plus cos square x. Divided by sine square x into what? Into cos square x dx. Splitting the denominator, integral of sine square x by sine square x into cos square x plus cos square x by sine square x into cos square x. All together with respect to x we can write here. Now sin square x we can cancel here. Sin square x and sin square x cancel. 1 by cos square x. Cos square x we can cancel. 1 by sin square x. What is 1 by cos? 1 by cos goes to sec square x. Integral of sec square x plus 1 by sin square. 1 by sin goes to cosec square x dx. So what is the integral of sec square x? Very important integration point is sec square x, cosec square x, sin x, cos x, everything, the trigonometry. Sec square x integration is what? That is tan x. And cosec square integration is what? Cosec square x, integral of cosec square x minus cot x. Tan x minus cot x plus the constant c, tan x minus cot x plus c. Yes, A already gave the answer. B is the right answer. Correct only. Good. Congrats, students. Yes, within seconds they gave the answer. Many students are there. Hridya, Neema, Vedadhwani, Hisham, Hanna, all are giving the right answers only. Yes, hope all of you got the idea. Move to the next question. Please listen. A different question. Integral of 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 raised to x into 5 raised to 5 raised to x into 5 raised to x. Okay, options are there. A, 5 raised to 5 raised to x by log 5 whole cube plus c. 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 raised to x log 5 whole cube plus c. And 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 raised to x by log 5 whole cube plus c. And none of this. No need the confusion. What we are going to do? Again we are going to do the substitution method. Where we want to substitute, that's important. How can we substitute here? Here 5 raised to 5 raised to x is there, the same as here 5 raised to 5 raised to x is there. So very clearly I hope you understood where we are going to give the substitution. Substitution giving here, let t is equal to 5 raised to 5 raised to x we can take as t. Which one? 5 raised to 5 raised to x, that middle term I took as t. Then what's the derivative of 5 raised to 5 raised to? Differentiate on both the sides as answer as here. Very good, Hannah. Put t is equal to 5 raised to 5 raised to x. Correct. So here take the derivative of, what is derivative of a raised to x? Derivative of a raised to x is what? A raised to x derivative is what? A raised to x into log of a raised to x into log of a. Here what is 5 raised to 5 raised to x? 5 raised to, that's chain rule will come. 5 raised to 5 raised to x derivative means 5 raised to 5 raised to x into log of 5, not only that one, into derivative of one more term coming there, into derivative of 5 raised to x once again. That means into chain rule is there, derivative of what? 5 raised to x, 5 raised to x. I am not writing, instead of that one I am writing directly what is 5 raised to x derivative. 5 raised to x into, once again we need log 5 with respect to x equal to derivative of t dt. Here in this question we have 5 raised to 5 raised to x is there, 5 raised to 5 raised to x and 5 raised to x dx is there, 5 raised to 5 raised to x, 5 raised to x dx, that is there. We want to keep left side. That means 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 raised to x into 5 raised to x into log 5, 2 times log 5 into log 5 we can write log 5 whole square dx equal to dt. I told you we need 5 raised to x and 5 raised to x dx only left side, the remaining all take other side. Then how can we write 5 raised to 5 raised to x into 5 raised to x dx equal to dt upon log 5 the whole square, log 5 square. Now we can take the integral here. I is equal to, or integral equal to 5 raised to 5 raised to x, 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 raised to x we can take as 5 raised to t. This part completely what? dt by the remaining part completely dt by log 5 whole square. Okay, then 5 raised to t we want to integrate once again. What is integral of a raised to x? Integral of a raised to x equal to what? A raised to x dx equal to a raised to x by what? Log of a plus c. Derivative is there a raised to x into log a. Integration is there a raised to x, same function, a raised to x by divided by log a plus c. So here we are going to take the integral of this one, that goes to 5 raised to t, the same a raised to x, divided by log 5 square already there, by log 5 square into log 5 goes to log 5 cube will come. And plus the constant c. What is 5 raised to t? 5 raised to t means 5 raised to x divided by log of 5 the whole cube plus c. We can check that option is there or not. Which option is there? 5 raised to x by log 5 whole cube. Yes, answer is there. Option C. C is the right answer. Yes, Nima, correct answer. Now is the confusion, just substitution method only we are taking there. Okay, hope all of you got the idea. Just take the substitution here. 5 raised to x is the t, and that same coming here, the remaining part just complete there. Move to the next question. See, a different type question. E raised to x log a into e raised to x dx equal to dash plus c. C plus c, last constant is there. What is the integrating function, or after integration what you will get? What is the capital F of x? Options are there. A e power x, or B e raised to x by 1 plus log a. C a e raised to x by log a. D none of this. How can we do that question? E raised to x log a into e raised to x dx. See, integral of, or I we can take e raised to x log a. This x log a, one step I am skipping the question actually. So what is x log a? You learned that b log a equal to log a power b. Log a power b, it will come, or n log a equal to log a raised to n, n log a equal to log a raised to n, or b log a equal to log a power b. So here what is x log a? X log a we can write as log of a raised to x into e raised to x dx is there. Log of a raised to x, e power log of a raised to x is what? E power. E raised to log of f of x you learn. Where you learn, you know? The chapter differential equation, we are always using that term, integrating factor. E raised to log of f of x equal to e raised to log of f of x. No need to take like that, Shiny. Directly we can take here what? E raised to what? This I am rearranging log a raised, e raised to log a raised to x. So e raised to log f of x, I told that one integrating factor many times we are taking in that chapter. Always ask MCQ, what is the integrating factor? E raised to log of f of x, you learn that one. So what is e raised to log of f of x? F of x itself, e and log will be removed. Okay, so yes, log will be out. E and log will be out. Good. Then we'll get to f of x only. So here what is e raised to log of a raised to x? E and log will be removed. Then we'll get to a raised to x into e raised to x with respect to x equal to a raised to m into b raised to n, the lower class identity, algebraic identity. A raised to m into b raised to m goes to ab all raised to m. Ab all raised to m. Here a raised to x into e raised to x goes to what? Goes to a e all raised to x dx. A means a number, right? E is a fixed constant, 2.71 value will come. Both multiplying, you will get another constant. AE means another constant you will get. So here AE power x means example 2 raised to x or 3 raised to x, 4 raised to x, like that. The value will get. Then what is the integral of constant power x or a raised to x? Once again, what is the integral of a raised to x dx? Just in the previous question we discussed the same. A raised to x divided by log of a plus c. A is a constant term. Then what we'll get here? That's equal to AE power x divided by log of that constant term. Log of what? Log of that constant term is AE plus constant C. Yes. Check the option. It is there or not? AE raised to x by log AE. Answer is there. Option C is the right answer. Yes. Yes. Diya, Hannah, Shaini, Hridya, Hisham, all are giving the correct answers. Yes. Yes, good, good. Okay. We can move to the next question. Integral of 2 to 3 x by x square plus 1 dx is equal to dash. You know definite integral. Okay, definite integral, lower limit is there, upper limit is there. 2 to 3 x by x square plus 1 dx is equal to dash. See the question. Integral of 2 to 3 x by x square plus 1. Which method we will use here? Which method we will use? Numerator x is there, denominator x square is there. Yes, substitution method we can use. But here x square is there, top 2x required, right? Yes, we are using Jay Aditya. Okay, correct. Substitution method we are using here. Substitution method using, but here 2x is not there. That's why I am giving here half and 2 here. Okay, half and 2 here taking. And because we are doing here MCQ questions, not descriptive types, then we can use some shortcut there. What's the shortcut there, you know? What's the shortcut there? f dash x by f of x integral with respect to x is equal to what? Directly we can write log of modulus of f of x plus the constant c we can write. What is that? Integral of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. Directly we can use there. Yes, Hridya. Log f of x we can use. Similarly, one more shortcut you know. Which shortcut you know? F dash x by root f of x dx equal to what? You can find out that one. Okay. What is that? F dash x by root of f of x goes to what? Yes, that only. Yes, that's equal to 2 into root of f of x plus c. Good. Then now, here already substituted there, or already substitution we are putting t is equal to x square plus 1, its derivative will come to 2x, like that the normal method. Instead of that one, we are taking this method. What is that? Log half of log of denominator x square plus 1 plus c not required, because this is the definite integral. Just connect with its limit 2 to 3. Okay. Then now log x square plus 1, 2 to 3 is the half of log of x square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 10 will come, 9 plus 1, 10, minus log of 2 square at the place of x, 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 will come. You know the rule, log a minus log b goes to log a. minus log b goes to log of a by b. Log a by b we can write. So here log 10 minus log 5, don't write log 5. Log 10 minus log 5 not equal to log 5. Log 10 minus log 5 goes to log 10 by 5 we can write there. 10 by 5 goes to, we can cancel the 10 and the 5 two times. Answer is there, I think so. We can check. So that's equal to half of log 2. Option is there. Many students are giving the answer. I saw. Yes, all the students gave here correct answer only. Yes, congratulations all of you. Shaini, Muhammad Hisham, Dia, Hridya, Hana, Vedaduni, Jay, Nima. Yes, everyone gave the right answer only. Option D is the correct answer. Correct answer is here. D is equal to half of log 2. Okay, normal method is there. Substitute and T will convert again. It will come back. We are not doing like that. Okay. Yes. Go to the next one. Integral of 0 to 1, 2x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x minus x square dx is option A 1, option B 0, option C minus 1, option D is pi by 4. How to do this one? Very good, very good, very good. Easily identified. But both are same. Both are same or any changes required? Good, 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 good. Before substituting, a small arrangement will be there. Same concept only. Before, yes, good, Hannah. No, take sign outside, because what's the derivative of 1 plus x minus x square equal to what? Derivative of 1 plus x minus x square is equal to dash, equal to 1, derivative 0, 1 minus 2x will come, but on the top 2x minus 1 is there, 2x minus 1 is there. Just rearrange, then it is very easy. Yes, correct only, Nima. Minus log will come. That equal to, we are taking the same. That's equal to, or I is equal to 0 to 1, negative take outside, negative of 2x minus 1 change to 1 minus 2x we can take it. Divide by 1 plus x minus x square. Now it's correct. Now take the substitution method, or we use the previous short way. What is that? Log f of x we can take there. That's equal to what? Log minus of, we can take log of f dash x by f dash x by f of x again came. Integral of that one goes to log f of x. For understanding only I am writing that one, you know very well. So here log what? 1 plus x minus x square to the limit. What are the limit there? 0 and 1. Equal to, substitute the limit value, minus of log of 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1, minus of log 1 plus 0 minus 0. That's equal to log of 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 cancel the, and log 1 0 0 is there, 1 is there. So will goes to minus of log 1 minus log 1. You know directly what is log 1. Log 1 is equal to what? Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 1 equal to 0. Log 1 equal to 0. Or log 1 minus log 1 if you are taking like that also. Same values are there. Log 1 0, log 1 0 totally together. Answer is what? Directly goes to 0, minus O0 plus O0. No problem. 0 is the answer. Then which is the right option? Option is B. B is the right option. Then answer is 0. Yes. 0 given. B given. Yes, correct only. Good students. Very good. Yes, okay. Move to the next one. Integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. You know which method is that one? Which method? Again, substitution method. Why again coming substitution method means different types of substitutions are there. Okay, previously asked questions we selected, that's why keeping the different type of questions only. What is the question here? Integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Substitution. Because you know derivative of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Where we want to substitute? Where we want to substitute? Yes, tan inverse x equal to t. Yes, J. Tan inverse x equal to t. What's the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. Here we have dx by 1 plus x square. Dx by 1 plus x square is there. We got that one. Substitute there. What we'll get? That goes to, I'm not taking the limits now, later only. So it will goes to what? It will goes to 0 to 1 is there. Okay. Instead of that one, I'm taking tan inverse x equal to t, and 1 by dx, that goes to dt only. Either we can take the substitution for the t. That's a normal method we learn. Discrete type we are doing that one only. Then what we are going to do there? That's equal to t means integral of t means t square by 2. That's enough. No need plus because values, the limit is there. I didn't change the limit. I will tell why. Tan t means what? Tan inverse x whole square by 2 or 1 by 2, half of that one. Now I am going to give the limit of that one. Now I am going to apply the limit there. Now I am applying the limit means 0 to 1. That I am going to tell. Instead of that one, you want to change the limit. That's a normal class, normal descriptive classes. We are in descriptive type of questions we did like that. But here, tan versus t also we can convert. Means t is equal to x equal to 0, t goes to 0. X equal to pi 1, t goes to tan inverse 1 goes to pi by 4. You know that very well. Okay. Instead of that one, yes, directly we are doing f of x square by 2 by formula. Yes, that also we can do. Correct only. Correct only. Because f of x raised to n by f dash x equal to f of x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 directly we can take. Correct only. So that's equal to, substitute the half of, substitute the tan inverse x whole square means tan inverse of 1 whole square minus tan inverse of what? Tan inverse of 0. Half of tan inverse 1 means what? Pi by 4, 45 degree. Tan inverse 1 goes to pi by 4. Pi by 4 will get. Yes. Now it's a square minus that part goes to what? That part goes to 0. Tan inverse 0 is equal to 0. Pi by 4 square means half of pi square by 4 square is 16. Got pi square divided by 2 16s are 32. That much value is there in the options. Yes, we can check the option pi by 16, pi by 32, pi square by 16 and pi square by 32. Our answer is there in the option D. Option D is right answer, pi square by 32. Clear? Yes. Maximum you can use the short tricks and short ways for finding out the MCQs. And I am going to the next question. Integral a to b, if integral a to b x cube dx equal to 0 and if a to b x square dx equal to 2 by 3, then the values of a and b are respectively. See, or confusing because 1 1, b minus 1 minus 1, c 1 minus 1, d minus 1 1. Okay. So, which one is the right option there? How can we find out? A different question from the normal pattern. A to b x cube dx, normally we can do, what is that? Integral a to b x cube dx equal to given as 0. X cube integration of x cube means x raised to 4 by 4 to the limits, what is that? A to b equal to 0. Means substitute the value b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 by 4 equal to 0 or b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 equal to 0, b raised to 4 equal to a raised to 4. Therefore, b equal to what? b raised to 4 equal to a raised to 4. b equal to what? b raised to 4 equal to a raised to 4, you got no? b equal to what? Yes, good. b equal to, we can take plus or minus a, we can take, because you know b square square, a square square, not only one value, positive and negative we can take. b raised to, what we are taking there, b raised to 4 equal to a raised to 4. Two conditions are there. And take the second condition. What is the second condition? a to b x square dx equal to 2 by 3. x square, x cube by 3 is the integration of x square to the limit what? a to b equal to what? 2 by 3. 3 is common there, or b cube, substituting b cube at the place of xb and at the place of a cube by 3 equal to 2 by 3. 3 will be cancelled, the denominators cancel. b cube minus a cube equal to what? 2. If b equal to a, what will happen? If a equal to b or b equal to a, b cube minus b cube equal to 0 only will come, but not equal to 2. Not possible. That condition is not possible. Then which condition only possible? The second condition here, b equal to minus a possible when b equal to minus a. So here minus b cube goes to minus b cube goes to minus a cube equal to 2. Minus a cube means minus a cube itself, minus a cube minus 2 times of a cube equal to 2. Both sides we can cancel 2. Then a cube equal to what? Minus 1 gives a equal to minus 1. b equal to minus a. Then b equal to what? Minus a means minus of minus goes to plus 1. a is minus 1, and b is plus 1. Option D. Many students gave the answer here. The right answer, option D is the right. So one confusion only coming here. Two values you want to take. If you take b raised to 4 equal to a raised to 4, b equal to plus a, if you take, the confusion will come here, that I am telling. Plus or minus we want to consider there. Okay, so D is the right option. Right answer is that one. Hope it's clear. And move to the next one. Integral 0 to 1. If integral 0 to 1 3x square plus 2x plus k dx equal to 0, then the value of k is dash. Then the value of k. Very simple question, direct question. Very easily you can find out that one. What's the answer? See, integral of 0 to 1 and take directly integration from there. Directly I am taking from integration here. What is that? 3x square, integral of 3x square, 3 into x square integral x cube by 3. 2 into x integration x square by 2 plus k integration, k is a constant, and integral of dx goes to k into x goes to 0 given in the question. Very easily we can substitute the value, lower limit 0, upper limit 1. Then what will get here? Is that 3 and 3 will be cancelled, 2 and 2 will be cancelled, apply 1 here and 0 here. 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus k into 1 is k minus this term goes to 0, this term goes to 0, this term goes to 0. If you apply 0 there, altogether 1 0 we can put equal to what? 0. Otherwise avoid that 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, k equal to take 2 the other side, then 2 plus k equal to 0, therefore k is equal to negative of 2. Very simple question. b is equal to minus 2. b equal to minus 2. Yes. Arnav, Vedaduni, Pinky, Jay. Okay, all are giving the correct answer only. I am going to the next question. the value of integral minus 1 to 2 modulus of x by x dx is dash. Option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is 3, option D is minus 1. A good question. Modulus integration. Which function is actually it one? Mod x by x. Which function is that one? Mod x by x. You learn in the grade 11 very clearly different types of functions and all. Modulus of x by x is which type function? Modulus function divided by x. That goes to yes, very good, very good. Signum function, Ruben. Signum function is there. Okay, so what will get there? Here, actually, the differentiation time I told, what will get there? The value goes to minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2. In between, 0 is there. 0 here, x minus 0, that's a critical point actually. 0 is the critical point. Left side what will get? Left side will goes to what? Minus x divided by x will come. Minus x will come. Left side of modulus function, left side of that critical point or 0 is here. Left side is minus x by x will come. Right side what will come? Right side will goes to x by x will come. What is minus x by x? Minus x by x goes to minus 1 plus x by x goes to plus 1. Otherwise you can write as a function like this also. F of x equal to minus 1 will come. Which interval? F of x equal to plus 1 will come. Greater than x, greater than 0 we can write. Instead of that one I am taking minus 1 splitting, 1 splitting. From where to where? Minus 1. From where to where? Minus 1. So I am splitting that integral minus 1 to 2. I am splitting here. I is equal to minus 1 to where? Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 will come. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 dx will come. Plus 0 to yes. All the students are given the correct answer. 0 to next value is what? Next limit is what? 2. 0 to splitting, 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Which value? Positive 1 will come. Dx. You learned that the property of integrals, integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to c f of x plus c to d. Integral c to d f of x property, you learned that. So here negative outside 1 integral, that is x to the limit minus 1 to 0, or we can interchange that one, no issue. So here 1 again, x to the limit 0 to 2. Substitute the value. Minus of 0, minus of minus 1 goes to plus 1, right? Minus of minus 1 is there, plus 1, plus 2 minus 0, no doubt 2 only, then minus 1 altogether, minus of 0 plus 1 goes to 1, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2 goes to what? 1 will get the answer. 1 is there, option B is there, option B is the correct answer. Some students got the mistake, I think so. Okay, so correct it. The same question I hope you saw in the paper. Minus 1 to 2, how can we split and how can we write that? Answer is 1 only, where we are splitting, no need the confusion. Okay, if you got the mistake, please understand and correct it. Yes, J, B is the right answer. Yes, move to the next one. Integral minus 1 to 1 e raised to x dx is equal to option A e, option B e square, option C 2 e minus 1 2 into, or 2 into e minus 1, and D none of this. Which option is right answer? The students are doing, I think so. No need to do that much. No need to do that much. Simple idea is there. What is the simple idea? See, I'll give the hint of that one. Integral of minus a to a f of x dx equal to, what is that? 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx, where f is even. F is an even function, and 0 for f is odd function. We can check, because any time minus a to a, minus 1 to 1, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi to pi, question is coming. Please check it is even or odd. After that only you do other method. E raised to minus x we can take left, e raised to plus x we can take right. Instead of that one, no need to go that way. Check the limit values. What is the lower limit, what is the upper limit here? Minus a to a is coming. I told you 2 times of 0 to f of x dx, f of x dx, if f is even, and 0 for f is odd, we can check it is an even or not. How can we check even or not? F of x equal to e raised to modulus of x. F of negative x equal to e raised to negative modulus of x, means e raised to mod x, same, that's equal to f of x. E raised to f of negative x equal to f plus f of x. F of minus x goes to plus f of x. Yes, it is even function. So even function is the, directly we can write this formula or this property. Then what is that? So that goes to, I goes to, this question I am not repeating. The question is minus 1 to 1 e raised to mod x dx is equal to, it's an even function, 2 times of 0 to 1 e raised to modulus of x, e raised to modulus of x, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, what will be the e raised to mod x? Left part means negative will come, right part goes to positive x will come, right part goes to positive x will come. From where to where? From 0 to 1 only required. 0 to 1 means e raised to what? We can write the e raised to we can write plus x, because it is coming after 0, or 0 is the critical point of mod x. Right side of that one goes to positive value. Clear? Yes, Hannah. Yes, that's the right answer. Yes, now answers are coming. Hannah, Ruben, all are giving the right answers now. Yes, Nima. That's the idea. No need to go to left and right. Please check that one. Very easily you can do. Then that's equal to 2 times of what's the integral of e raised to x? E raised to x itself and 0 to 1. Substitute the 2 into e raised to 1. E raised to 1 means e only, minus e raised to 0. E raised to 0 means what? 1. 2 into e minus 1 is the right answer. Answer is there as option C. Hope you got the idea what we want to check there. Minus a to a type questions are coming. It is even or odd we want to check. Okay? Hope clear. Put the next question. E raised to x into 1 plus x cos square into e raised to x into x. Very easy question. Very easily you can identify that question. Yes. What I am doing here? Doing there substitution method, right? What substitution? This one. Substitution is there because e raised to x into x equal to t. U and v product rule. E raised to x into derivative of x is 1 plus e raised to x derivative e raised to x into x with respect to x equal to dt. Equal to dt. Then now e raised to x is common, e raised to x common, 1 plus x dx, that is in the numerator, I think. So e raised to x into 1 plus x is there in the numerator. See, then what we can substitute here? We are going to substitute that value. We'll get to integral of I equal to e raised to x into 1 plus dx. Directly we are writing as dt divided by cos square, that value we took as t, that equal to integral of 1 by cos goes to sec square, 1 by cos goes to sec square. Yes, answers are coming, right answer only. 1 by cos goes to sec square t dt, that's equal to integral of sec square t, or derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x, right? So we'll get to what? Tan of tan t plus c we can take. What is tan t? T means e raised to x into x or x into e raised to x we can write. E raised to x into x plus c is there. I think so. That option is there. Many students are giving the answer option B. That's why, yes, that's the correct answer. B, tan x into e raised to x plus c. Right. Yes, all are giving the correct answers. Good job. Okay, moving to the next question. Normal question only, that one. Where we want to take the substitution, that only want to know. Yes, next question. Next question. Minus 1 to 1 x cube into mod x dx is dash. Within seconds I need the answer because I gave the hint in the second last question. Very easily you can score very easily you can tell that without doing anything. Yes, very good. Mohammed Zabish, yes. Ruben, yes. All are giving the right answer because that only what took the minus a to a minus 1 to 1 is there. I am checking here. F of x is what? F of x equal to x cube into mod x. I am checking f of negative x equal to negative x cube into negative mod x. Modulus of negative x. This goes to negative of x cube positive x. This goes to minus f of x. That is called odd function. Odd function is there. Odd function is the, what's the rule? Directly we can write the answer is directly we can write there minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0 when f is an odd function. So answer is what? 0 is the answer. Without doing any steps we can directly tell answer is 0. Hope all of you got the idea. Yes, move to the next one. Give once again. Minus pi to pi sine cube x into cos square x equal to what? I am checking minus pi to pi is coming, minus a to a is coming. What will get? Here. Checking f of x equal to sine cube x into cos square x. Checking f of negative x equal to sine negative x goes to minus sine. So minus sine cube x and cos negative x is cos x itself, square positive only. Yes, correct answer again. So it will come to cos square x, that goes to negative f of x. Again, that's an odd function. Odd function goes to what? Odd function, the previous we wrote that directly goes to 0. No need to check anything else. Okay, similar questions are there. Purposefully I took that question. One is trigonometry, one in the other one. Okay, so move to the next one. Hope all of you got that idea. Not wasting your time. X is a greatest integer function. The value of 0 to 3, greatest integer x dx is dash. How can we define this greatest integer function? Greatest integer function x 0 to 3 is the 0 to 3. Okay. How can we define? 0 where 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. That's a definition. 1 will come 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. 2 will come 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. The value is 0 to 3 is there. 0 to 3. Clear? 0 to 3 is there, the limit. 0 to 3 is coming. 0 to 3. Greatest integer function x, every integral value it will be discontinuing. Every integral point it will be discontinuing. That's why we know. Yes, answer is given here. Arnav gave the answer. Answer is correct only. Good. Then now how can we write this function as in the integral form? That means integral of I is equal to 0 to 3. I am writing 0 to 1. Which value? 0 dx plus 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 goes to the second 1 dx plus next 2 to 3, 2 to 3 goes to 2 value, 2 is the value, 2 dx. That's the method to solve or take the integration of the Greatest integer function. Okay, yes, many students are giving the correct answer. Here 0 is the first one. No need to consider the 0 part. No need. Okay, leave it. And the next one is equal to 1, integral of 1, that is x to the limit 1 to 2, plus integral of 2 is a constant, take outside, integral of dx equal to ax to the limit 2 to 3, that's equal to f of b minus f of a, 2 at the place of x, 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 2. 2 minus 1 goes to 1 itself. 2 into 3 minus 2 goes to 1. So 1 plus 2 goes to answer is 3. We can check answer is there or not. Yes, option D is there. Many students gave the answer here. Vedaduni, Ruben asked the C. No, D. Yes, Arnav, Diya, Hanna, Hridya, Hisham. Yes, many students gave the right answers only. Good. Yes, we can move to the next question. A different question. Please see the question. If f and g are continuous functions in 0, 1, closed interval, satisfy f of x equal to f of a minus x. F of x equal to f of a minus x, and g of x equal to g of x plus g of a minus x equal to a, then what is 0 to a f of x dx gx equal to what? 0 to a f of x gx with respect to s equal to any of the options here, a by 2, 0 to f of x, 0 to f of x, a 0 to f of x. Very close to similar answers are coming. Which will be the right answer? Hope it's a different question from the previous questions. So I am writing here f of x equal to f of a minus x. Then what is g of x plus g of x plus g of a minus x equal to a? Then what is g of a minus x? Equal to a minus g of x, right? A minus g of x. So what is I? I is equal to integral of 0 to a f of x into g of x into f of x into g of x dx. We know the rule here, property we know. Which property? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx, we can write. Correct? So I am going to take that one, equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into g of a minus x dx. Hope you understood that one. Yeah, correct. Muhammad Sabi gave the correct point. Should we take a minus x st? No need to take st. Directly we can write. One more step, just listen, we'll understand. So here, that's equal to 0 to f of a minus x. What is f of a minus x? Please listen, this point only listen. F of a minus x equal to f of x. F of x there. 0 to a, f of a minus x goes to f of x into. What is g of a minus x? We found out here what is g of a minus x. A minus g of x, a minus g of x dx. Just to substitute here both the values. F of a minus x substituted, f of a minus x substituted, and g of a minus x substituted. Which all the days your class is there. So you can text your number. I will contact you. Okay, you can our team will be contacted you. You can just text a message there as a phone number. Will contact you. Our team will be contact you. So 0 to a f of x. Just open the bracket, dear students. Just open the bracket. F of x into a f of x. Dx also we can take. Otherwise one more step. F of x into that one. F of x into g of x dx. G of x altogether dx we can write there. Now splitting the integral, that's equal to 0 to a a here outside f of x dx, f of x dx, f of x dx minus integral of 0 to a f of x gx or g of x dx. Yes, f of x g of x dx is equal to the starting I. That type of questions we discussed in the regular classes, you know. So what we'll write here, that's equal to I is there, I is equal to a integral 0 to a f of x dx, f of x dx minus I. That I take to left side, I plus I 2i, 2i goes to this step 0 to a f of x dx. I hope you got the idea what will be the answer and all. For understanding only I am completing the steps. So here, therefore, I equal to a by 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Check, that is there in the options. There, a by 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Yes, which option? Which option? Which option is there? Option B is the right answer. A by 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Clear? A bit confusion will be the what we want to change, because we are going to use the property, then f of a minus x will come, that value is f of x, g of a minus x, that we are taking from g of a minus x equal to a minus g of x, that substitution only. After that simplify normal method only. Don't worry about that question, that type of question will come. From where we got this question, don't worry, it is in your book only, NCERT exemplar question only. So we want to expect that type of question also. Okay, so here go to the next question. Yes, very good question, very good question. Integral minus 1 to 1 x cube plus modulus of x plus 1 x square plus 2 into modulus of x plus 1 dx is equal to dash. Did you see this question? Maybe many students solve that questions at the time of practice. Okay, please see what's the next question. What to do? What we are going to do? I is equal to minus 1 to 1. I equal to minus 1 to 1. I am splitting here x cube by x square plus 2 mod x plus 1 dx plus mod x plus 1 by x square plus 2 mod x plus 1. I will tell why I split it like that. I told you many times today itself, minus a to a, minus 1 to 1 is coming. We want to check. Minus 1 to 1 is coming. We want to check the property even or odd. Odd is the directly will write 0. Even is the 2 times of 0 to a we will write. Correct? Yes, both are coming. That's why I splitted there. Yes, Abhi. Because here x cube is coming. This function as odd function, because negative x cube is negative. Negative x square is positive x square. Modulus of negative x positive. So only one negative is coming here in the first one. This called odd function. Modulus of x, put negative x, then positive will come, plus 1. Negative of x square goes to positive. 2 into negative of x goes to positive, then 1. All goes to the same value. If you put negative also, all coming to f of positive x only or f of x only. Yes, that goes to, this goes to what? This is completely an even function. Odd function goes to what? Odd function goes to what? Odd function goes to directly 0. Plus even function goes to, I forgot to write the limit, minus 1 to 1. Even function goes to what? 2 times of f of x equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x will come even. Once I wrote that one even, then 0 means it is odd will come. So 0 plus 2 times of what? 2 times of 0 to a means 0 to 1. 0 after 0 modulus of x value goes to positive only. After 0 we learned that one, after 0 modulus of x value goes to what? Positive only. Then positive x will come, this part negative. We need positive part only because 0 to 1 is coming. 0 to 1 is coming there. 0 to 1 is coming means this goes to positive x, this goes to positive x. No need to think about the negative value of modulus. x there. So it will come to x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 1. Hope all of you understood why I took positive there, because limit is 0 to 1 is coming. Yes. Then now 2 into 0 to 1 x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 1. Don't go with px plus q by x square plus bx plus c. You know the completing square there. What is the square there? X plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 1 square, a plus b whole square. That goes to x plus 1 the whole square. First value x square, last value 1 square. X plus 1 whole square. So we can cancel here x plus 1 and x plus 1 and x plus 1 whole square. We can cancel 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 goes to log modulus of x plus 1. Integral of 1 by x plus 1 goes to log modulus of x plus 1 to the limit 0 to 1. Give the limit 2 into log of 1 plus 1 2. 0 plus 1 log 1 goes to 0. Answer is there 2 log 2. Check any option is there 2 log 2 is there or not. Yes, many students have given the answers. Which option is there? Option B is there 2 log 2. Got it? 2 log 2 is the right answer. A different question it was. Hope all of you understood. Yes. And we can check normal question. What is the question? 0 to a 1 by 4 plus x square equal to pi by 8. Option A is 1, B 2, C is minus 1 and D is 1 by 2. We can check. 0 to a 1 by 4 changes to 2 square plus x square dx. Hope all of you got the idea what I am going to write, because special type, right? A square plus x square. What is a square plus x square? Integral of dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a square plus x square. Now what we can write here? Equal to 1 by a 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by a means 2 to the limit 0 to a equal to pi by 8 by 8. Cancellation fast. What's the cancellation? This goes to cancel. By 2 is there, by 8 is there. 2 and 4 times we can cut the 2 in 8. Then here tan inverse of a by 2, tan inverse of a by 2 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0 itself. No need to write. That's equal to pi by 4. You know tan inverse a by 2 equal to pi by 4. Then what is a by 2? A by 2 equal tan pi by 4 or tan 45 degree. A by 2 goes to 1. Therefore, A goes to 2. 2 is the right answer. Again, B, right option is there. B is the right option. B4, brilliant, is the right option. Okay, so here is the answer 2. Understood? Yes, all are given the right answer. B only. Yes, move to the next one. A different question once again. The limit C. 0 to x. 0 to x is there. F of x equal to 0 to x t sin t. Then find the derivative of x. F dash x. F dash x. F of x equal to 0 to x t sin t dt. Variable here in t parameter t is coming, limit is coming x. That only the difference. We can check. So without limit I am doing, finally we can give the limit. Otherwise together also no problem. This you know u into v form. U v integral dx equal to u integral of v dx minus integral of u dash integral v dx with respect to x. Which form, which method? By parts or isolate method, right? T is there first. Same order. I not write detailed steps. I'm just substituting here in this formula or in this method. U into v dx by parts. That's equal to, what is u? U is t. Integral of sine, integral of u into integral of v, integral of sine is minus cos t. The limits 0 to x minus 0 to x. Derivative of t, u dash means t dash means 1. 1 into what? Integral of sine t, integral of v, sine t goes to minus cos t dt. Minus cos t dt. Substitute the limit here. Negative is coming. Negative t means negative x into cos t means cos x. Minus t is coming at the place 0. No need to write that, completely 0. Minus of minus goes to minus of minus goes to plus. And cos t integration is there sin t to the limit 0 to x. That's equal to minus x cos x. Substitute the limit here. Sin t at the place of t is x, sin x minus sin 0 is 0. That is f of x. That is f of x. That is f of x. We want to find out f dash x. Derivative of f of x we want to find out. Derivative of f of x means f dash x equal to, again we want to use here product rule. Product rule we want to use. So negative I am keeping outside. X derivative or x into cos x derivative minus sin x plus cos x into x derivative is what? Into 1 plus sin x derivative is cos x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Okay, students are giving the answers. Yes, Hannah, Veda, Ruben, yes, all are giving the correct answers only. So here minus opening the bracket also, minus of minus plus x sin x. Minus of plus goes to minus cos x plus cos x, which will be cancelled. Minus cos x and plus cos x will be cancelled. Last option is the last answer is there x sin x. We can check that is in the options. Students are given the options. Then x sin x, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Hope all of you understood. Today we can wind up the session. The time to wind up. Integration, you know how many questions we can do, that much we want to practice. Different questions are there here itself. So different types we want to do, more time required. You can attend maximum sessions and practice more, especially the topic integrals. So thank you all of you. Signing off today. We'll see with another topic. Thank you.